what is the best affiliate marketing program to join this year? Okay, it's quite a subjective question. Before we get into it, my name is John McLauchlan. If you're new to this channel, or if this is the first time that you've seen me, hit the subscribe button. There's lots of information on this channel. Give us a thumbs up if you get some value from this, and also you can leave me a comment with any questions that you may have. Okay, so what is the best affiliate marketing program to join? There are two things you want to be really mindful of. First of all is the business model. Okay, you need to dive into the numbers and find out if they work for you and if they work for the amount of work that you want to put into the business. And there are so many people right now, or so many people that I've seen over the years, who join affiliate marketing programs based on hype, based on good wishes, based on good intentions, when really the numbers don't actually stack up. So you've got to look at that for yourself. And one of the things I look at is, why are people joining this affiliate marketing business? Everything online goes in trends. And sometimes we see businesses trend and suddenly they've got a huge influx of people. You know, like a lot of things happen over the years and people get on board with it. But they get on board with it because they're getting swept up in the hype. And then 6 months later they go, actually, you know what, that wasn't a particularly good business. But most people don't check the numbers. So have a look at the numbers. Ask yourself, within any affiliate marketing business, what you're looking for is a tiered product structure. First of all, low ticket items. Is there facility for people to join at low ticket? Because not everyone's got plenty of money to spend, okay? And does the business facilitate the people with lower incomes? Okay, is it fair to everyone? Is it ethical? Okay. Next thing, medium ticket. Is there facility for people with a bit of money to spend a bit more money with you, and ultimately high ticket as well? Is there a facility for that? So you can get involved, and if you want to go and develop or scale your business, is there scope to do that as well? Okay, really, really important to do that. The other thing as well is the help and support that you get, and also the training inside the affiliate marketing program. So there are a lot of programs out there where they will say, okay, you can join the low ticket, that's fine, but if you want the real information and also the training to help you with this, you need to get the medium ticket or the pro or the elite or whatever. Is the training included? And other people who get in at the low ticket still able to make money for themselves? And that is really important. What you don't want to be doing is just getting the low ticket to get people in and then going, oh, well, now you're in, now you've got to upgrade, okay? Because that doesn't work. What you want to be doing is making sure that if it is low ticket, everything's included and they feel part of a community. It's so important to get people in and make people feel part of a community, not just your community, because if you're an affiliate marketer, you'll know the challenges of trying to build a community. It takes a lot of doing. And even if you get a lot of people in together, if your marketing efforts really work and you get, 3, 4, 700, 1,000 people together, is that community going to develop in the way that you want it to? And well, I'll tell you this, a lot of online communities with the affiliate marketing business model, they start good, they start with the best of intentions, and they develop a toxicity. And I've seen this time and time again, where one person will leave because they want to do more, okay? And then a few of the followers will say, well, why have you left? Well, I left because of this. And then you get this sort of like this kind of viral infection going on in the community, and that is really bad for your business. And it doesn't matter how many people you get together, that can happen. So if you find a community with a really solid culture, then that is in essence really important as well. Okay, I can't stress how important it is to get people involved in the community, because the community supports everyone. If you're not around, they can get into the community, get the support they need, and feel part of something bigger than just you. Okay, so that's really important. The second thing I kind of touched on before about how to build a successful affiliate marketing business, or the best affiliate marketing business, is have the ability to be able to teach people what they need to know. Okay, when people join you in a company, They want to be joining somebody who can take them where they want to go. Okay. Now, if you're just getting started with an affiliate marketing business, then if you can refer those people that you bring in to somebody else within the business who can teach them, then that's fine, because they don't need to. You don't need to be the person who's being relied upon to teach them, to take them to where they want to go. So they've got the facility to be trained, to be coached, and in some cases to be mentored by people within the affiliate marketing business. And again, if the culture is such where it advocates trust and empathy, then that will work. If you've got a culture of toxicity, that definitely won't work, okay? And people will rely on you. Now, when you get people involved in an affiliate marketing business, they will rely on you, okay? So the next thing really I want to touch on, even though I've touched on the two main things, is just be open and honest with people, okay? And the best way to promote or to attract people in the right way is to document your journey. If you can document what you've done from day one to day two, okay? If you've gone through the open door, if you've gone through the closed door that people are looking at, and people go, what is on the other side of this door? And you can tell them, okay, that will give them enough excitement to maybe take that step and become an affiliate for yourself, okay? So that's what we're talking about. So if you get those elements together, then you've got something that is very powerful. And, you know, I'm not here to tell you exactly what the best affiliate marketing business is, because it's subjective for everybody. Everybody will have their own opinion. But what I will say is that I can give you the help and support that you need by giving you access to my affiliate marketing masterclass. And what that will do is that is a masterclass. It's completely free. You get access to downloads, you get access to workbooks, and it is something that I ordinarily would have charged for. But the reason I didn't charge for it is because I'm proving to people that I make money through affiliate marketing, not by selling courses. Because I know what the internet's like. You know, oh yeah, he's telling us how to do affiliate marketing, good lad, but he's selling this course for $1,000. So I thought, okay, I'm going to make this course free. Okay, you can access it by going to the description below. And regardless of whatever you're promoting online, whether it's affiliate marketing or network marketing, whatever it is, you can promote it in the right way. And I also go into more detail about what I've just said about promoting the best affiliate marketing business for yourself. Okay. Now, my business might not be suitable for you, might not be suitable for somebody else. Okay. But whatever you're promoting, you can do it successfully. You can promote it successfully by learning what I teach you in the affiliate marketing masterclass. So go and have a look at that below. If you've got any other questions, by all means reach out to me. I'm always available, and if you go to the description, you can see all my contact details. You can reach out to me and ask me whatever you like. Okay, but that is the best thing I can say for you right now to go forward and actually gain some traction, to gain some momentum, building your affiliate marketing business. Okay. So I'm John McLauchlan. Any questions you've got, reach out to me. If you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button just down there. Give us a big thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. We'll talk soon. Bye for now.